Hello everyone. In our soil mechanics, today we are going to see our next remaining topic, types of slope failure. In our fourth chapter, stability of slope, in a previous video we saw that introduction about it and some infinite and finite slope. So first of all, what is earth slope? An earth slope is an unsupported inclined surface of soil mass. Earth slope may be found in a nature or may be in a man-made. Earth slope are formed for highway embankment, railway embankment, earth dam, canal bank and levees. Now, the failure of earth slope take place mainly due to action of gravitational force, seepage force within the soil mass, excavation or undercutting of its foot, disintegration of the structure of the soil due to weathering action. Then after we saw infinite and finite slope. The earth slope may be of two types. First is finite slope and second is infinite slope. So what is infinite slope? If a slope represents the boundary surface of a semi-infinite soil mass inclined to the horizontal and the soil properties for all identical depth below the surface are constant, it is called infinite slope. Then after finite slope, if the slope is of limited extent, it is called finite slope. Slope of earth dam, slope of highway, railway embankment, canal bank, cuts, etc. Finite slope. So finite slope is limited extent, it is called finite slope. And infinite slope, it is a slope represent a boundary surface of a semi-infinite soil mass inclined to the horizontal and the soil properties for all identical depth below the surface are constant, it is called infinite slope. Then after we saw factor of safety. So in stability analysis of a slopes, there three types of factor of safety are normally used. First is factor of safety with respect to shear strength, factor of safety with respect to cohesion, factor of safety with respect to friction. Now next topic is type of slope failure. So the common type of slope failures are rotational failure, translation failure, compound failure, wedge failure and miscellaneous failure. So there are five types of slope failure: rotational failure, translation failure, compound failure, wedge failure and miscellaneous failure. So first is rotational failure. So in this type of failure occur by rotation along a slip surface by downward and outward movement of the soil mass. ये रोटेशनल फेलियर कब होगा? सो इट इज़ अ फेलियर अकर बाय रोटेटिंग अलोंग स्लिप सरफेस डाउनवर्ड अपवर्ड मूवमेंट ऑफ द सॉइल मास का डाउनवर्ड और अपवर्ड आउटवर्ड स्लिप सरफेस से रोटेशन होगा. इन दिस वे रोटेशनल फेलियर में अकर. द स्लिप सरफेस इज जनरली सर्कुलर फॉर होमोजीनियस सॉइल कंडीशन एंड नॉन सर्कुलर इन केस ऑफ नॉन होमोजीनियस कंडीशन. जो स्लिप सरफेस है जनरली सर्कुलर फॉर होमोजीनियस सॉइल कंडीशन. होमोजीनियस यानी कि थ्रू आउट सॉइल सेक्शन सेम होगा. ठीक है. सो इन होमोजीनियस सॉइल कंडीशन द सरफेस इज जनरली सर्कुलर फॉर होमोजीनियस and non-circular in case of non-homogeneous condition. So rotational failure are further divided into three types. So there are also three types of rotational failure. The first is toe failure, face failure and base failure. So in a toe failure, in which the failure occur along the surface that passes through the toe. जो failure होगा वो किसके surface में से pass होगा? It is pass through the toe. Then face failure. So in which the failure occur along the surface that intersect the slope above the toe. toe से intersect होगा and then after face failure होगा. So it is a face failure. Then base failure in which the failure surface passes below the toe. toe के बिलो पास होगा. In this way, the failures may occur. It is base failure. So, in a rotational failure, there are toe failure, face failure and base failure. आप फिगर में देख सकते हो. फर्स्ट इज टो फेलियर, फेस फेलियर एंड बेस फेलियर. रोटेशनल फेलियर. So, the face failure occur when the weak plane exists above the toe. toe failure, face failure कब होगा? It is when weak plane exit above the toe. above toe से weak होगा. It is face failure. The base failure occur when the weak plane lies below the toe. base failure कब होगा? जब weak plane क्या होगा? stratum lies below the toe के below lie होगा. So it is a weak plane. If a strong stratum exists below the toe, the slip surface of the base failure is tangential to the stratum. In all the other cases, the failure are generally toe failure. Toe failure are most common. Now next is translation failure. So in case of infinite slope, so infinite slope किसे बोलेंगे? So it is a slope is of limited extent. It is called finite slope. So in case of infinite slope क्या होगा? द सॉइल प्रॉपर्टीज आर यूनिफॉर्म. सॉइल प्रॉपर्टी कैसी होगी? यूनिफॉर्म. एट द सेम डेप्थ बिलो द फ्री सरफेस. बिलो सरफेस से सेम डेट पे क्या होगा? सॉइल प्रॉपर्टीज यूनिफॉर्म होगी. ट्रांसलेशन फेलियर अकर इन द इनफाइनाइट स्लोप अलोंग अ लॉन्ग फेलियर सरफेस पैरेलल टू द स्लोप. The shape of failure surface is influenced by the presence of any hard stratum at the shallow depth below the slope surface. Translation failure also occur along a slope of layered material. Now next is compound failure. A compound failure is a combination of rotational slip and translation slip. Compound मतलब composition. So compound failure किससे होगा? It is combination of rotational slip and translation slip. A compound failure surface is a curve at the two ends and a plane in the middle portion. A compound failure generally occur when a hard stratum exists at considerable depth below the toe. Now wedge failure. A failure along an inclined plane is known as wedge failure. It is also known as a plane failure or a block failure. Wedge failure is also known as plane failure or a block failure. It occurs when distinct block and wedge of the soil mass become separated. A plane failure is similar to translation failure in many respects. However, unlike transitional failure which occur in infinite slope, a plane surface may occur when an infinite slope consisting of two different material or in homogeneous soil having crack, fissure, joint and other plane of weakness. Now miscellaneous failure. In addition of the above type of failure, some complex type of failure in the form of spreads, flow or may also occur. So these are the different type of common slope failure. First is rotational failure, translation failure, compound failure, wedge failure and miscellaneous failure. Now stability analysis of infinite slope. So if the slope is of limited extent, it is called finite slope. ठीक है, finite slope किसे बोलेंगे? If the slope is of limited extent, it is called finite slope. So a finite slope is bounded by a base and a top surface. Base or a top surface. Finite slope कैसे bounded होगा? Bounded by a base and a top surface. The unlined surfaces of earthen dam, canal, embankment, excavation, etc. all are finite slope. So it is the example of one of the finite slope. It is canal, embankment, excavation. Thus the stability of such slope is of vital importance for civil engineering. This type of infinite slope, the stability is very most important for our civil engineering. The failure of infinite slope along a surface which is a curve. In stability computation, the curve representing the real surface of sliding is usually replaced by an arc of the circle or the logarithmic spiral. So, two basic type of failure of a finite slope may occur. It is slope failure or a face failure or a toe failure और अ बेस फेलियर. आप फिगर में देख सकते हो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फेस फेलियर क्या है, टो फेलियर एंड बेस फेलियर. जो प्रीवियस ईयर ये हमें देखा, टो फेलियर, फेस फेलियर एंड बेस फेलियर. नाउ if the failure occur along a surface of sliding or a slippage that intersect the slope at or above the toe, it is known as slope failure. The slope failure is called a face failure. Slope failure is also called face failure. If the R passes above a toe failure is the passes through the toe. If the soil beneath the toe of the slope is weak, the failure occur along the surface that passes at some distances below the toe of the slope. Such type of failure are called base failure. The ratio of the total depth h plus d to the depth h is called depth factor df. For a toe failure, df equal to 1. For a base failure, df greater than 1. Now, type of a slip surface. The rupture of a finite slope may take place along one of the following failure surface. It is planar failure surface, circular failure surface and non-circular failure surface. So these are the type of slip surface. So it is the one of the most important theory for type of slope failure. So it is the common type of slope failure are rotational failure, translation failure, compound failure, wedge failure, miscellaneous failure. So in a rotational failure, this type of failure occur by rotational along a slip surface by downward and outward movement of the soil mass. The slip surface is generally circular for homogeneous soil condition or a non-circular in case of non-homogeneous condition. Rotational failure are further divided into three types: toe failure, face failure and base failure, in which the failure occur along the surface that passes through the toe. It is toe failure. In which the failure occur along the surface that intersect the slope above the toe. It is called face failure. And base failure, in which the failure surface pass below the toe. It is base failure. So this is the difference between toe failure, face failure and base failure. The face failure occur when a weak plane exits above the toe. The base failure occur when a weak plane lies below the toe and the strong stratum exists below the toe. The slip surface of the base failure is tangential to the stratum. In all the other cases, the failure are generally toe failure. The failure are most common. Then translation failure. In case of infinite slope, the soil properties are uniform at the same depth below the free surface. Translation failure occur in an infinite slope along a long failure surface parallel to the slope. The shape of the failure surface is influenced by the presence of any hard stratum and shallow depth below the slope surface. Translation failure also occur along a slope of layer materials. Then after compound failure, so a compound failure is a combination of rotational slip and translation slip. A compound failure surface is a curve at the two ends and plane in the middle portion. A compound failure generally occurs when a hard stratum exists and considerable depth below the toe. Wedge failure. A failure along the inclined plane is known as a wedge failure. It is also known as plane failure or a block failure. It occurs when distinct block and a wedge of the soil mass become separated. A plane failure is similar to translation failure in many respects. However, unlike translation failure which occur in infinite slope, a plane failure may occur even if a finite slope consisting of two free-form material or in homogeneous soil having crack, fissure, joint on other plane of weakness. Then miscellaneous failure. In addition To the above type of failure, some complex type of failure in the form of spread flow may occur. So these are the different type of failure. याद रखो, rotational failure, translation failure, compound failure, wedge failure and miscellaneous failure.